Hi gang, so what is good? I hope you're doing great, and from the title you already know what I will be talking about in this video. It's gonna be a very short, quick video to, let's say, update you on what is going on, let you know if you didn't know. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Let's go. Okay, maybe you all have heard or haven't heard that the biggest aeroplane in this world, that is the AN-225 was destroyed. But okay, at first I heard about it, but I never believed that was true. And for those who don't believe that was true, okay, here's a screenshot of what I saw in Wikipedia. This is what made me believe. Look at how it is written. The aeroplane was, not that was, meaning that it's destroyed because there was only one AN-225 Okay, what amazes me is that this aeroplane has survived a lot of things, all the way from 1986. It has flown for like 30 years, and just to be destroyed by Russia. Okay, obviously no one wants to see World War III forming right before our eyes, but we can't deny the facts. There's a possibility of that, and well, we're just gonna have to wait and see. And we truly feels bad that one of the biggest aeroplane has just been destroyed. This aeroplane, I thought that this aeroplane was going to fly for like maybe 20-10 more years. Then after that, it's going to be put somewhere in a museum and shit. And okay, just look at the footage, the pictures, and maybe I'm gonna leave a description down below for a reporter reporting on the crash. So that was all about it. This is some of the footage, some of the pictures. Yes, it has been destroyed. In fact, even go to Wikipedia, status destroyed. So it's over with. But this one is not related to the AN-225 movie. I'm gonna be posting videos every week, around twice or thrice in a week. So stay tuned. This was just an update video. This wasn't my usual type of video. Just let your niggas know, those who didn't know, the world's biggest airplane is gone. I don't know what's the next one. Maybe the 779. Or maybe the Airbus A380, 800, I don't know which one is the biggest one. Okay, this one is the longest one, this is the biggest one, I think. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. That is sorry for another video, so be sure to like, share, subscribe, because I know you haven't done that. Be sure to leave a comment down below and give me some video ideas. Follow me on IG and everything you know to do. See you on the next video soon.